Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to receive money on Wise. And if you want to receive money, the thing that you need to do is quite simple, because if you go right here to request, this is the place where we can request a payment and where we can receive money from someone else. So what we're going to do right here is we select start, and then we decide right here if you want to fill in the Wise tag, or we can share a payment link. So let's do right now a share payment link, and then let's do, for example, 100 euros, and then I fill in right here for last night in the club, something like that. Then we click here on create payment link, and then right now, if you can see, we can send our link with a QR code, or we can copy this link and paste that link right here and send that to a person that will send us money. So this is how you can receive by sending someone a request. You can also receive money by just clicking on add money and then add money to your account. So those are the two options that you need to know how to receive money on Wise. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.